Hey YouTube, thank you for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos about Hondas and Acura. So we are going to address this RDX. It's crazy because there's nothing wrong with it, but it's annoying to have that little noise. Let me see if we can hear that over there. So when you start the car, that's the normal noise. Okay, that's the little chime. But after the infotainment comes on, you have like a little chime that happens a couple seconds after it boot up, and you're gonna hear right now. Okay, it's coming up now. Waiting for that. Let me see. There we go. You hear that? That little. All right. So there's nothing wrong with it. It's just a notification. You can see it on the top corner right here. That means that this particular vehicle need an update. You can see the little exclamation point here, and you see the little update icon here. So that means that this particular vehicle need an update on the system, and that's why you can see that. That's why it's making that noise. All right, so you do the update, restart the car, and the noise is gonna go away. Just take care of that notifications on the top here. Just take care of that notifications. You see that, and it will the noise will go away. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy it.